afternoon class. We're going to do booklet 2. And it's going to be pages 36 and 37, questions 1 to 10. Now, if you have 68 times 10, you can use your calculator and you'll have 680. Or you can say it's times by 10. There's 1 0. You can simply just move it over 1 decimal. For instance, if you have 0.125 times 100, you can use your calculator to go 12.5, but you can notice that you have 2 zeros, and so you move over the decimal to the right 2 times and get 12.5. For instance, if you have 10 to the power of 2, that equals 10 times 10, which equals 100. If you have 1 over 10 to the power of 3, it's 1 over 10 times 10 times 10, or 1 over 1,000, which would equal 0.001. Another way, if you have 10 to the power of 3, you can just say it's to the power of 3, it has to have 3 zeros. If you have 96 divided by 10, if you use your calculator, you have 9.6. Or you know that you have 1 0. That means you move the decimal over once to the left. And if you have 23.75 divided by 1,000, you would use your calculator and you can get 0.02375. Or you can say to yourself, oh, 3 zeros. I move it over 3 decimal places to the left. Equivalent fractions. Okay, equivalent means the same amount. For instance, we know that's a half. We know this is 2 quarters. 1/2 is equivalent to 2 quarters. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Times the top and you times the bottom by the same number and you will get an equivalent fraction. It's the same amount. For instance, if you have 3 over 8 equals something over 16, You know that 8 times 2 equals 16, so 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 over 8 is equivalent to 6 over 16. If you have 27 over 45 equals something over 5, you know that 45 divided by 9 equals 5. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. So 27 over 45 is equivalent to 3 over 5.